In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add activities to your tasks. So yet again, you're going to go to Employee Profiles, then Add Activities to Task. Then you're going to select your job. As you remember on the previous session, you assigned tasks to that job title. You're going to same go yeah, so everything is going to work into a ladder formation. As you can see, then you're going to click Submit. As you can see, those tasks that you created is already there. This I've done on a previous recording just to show you. So I'm going to show you it's a text field, so they're going to use the type. It's going to be a text type or text box, and then selection, it's going to have the selection type, and then yeah, I just added some parameters. So you're going to select yes, no, or maybe. That's going to be the three options if you use that function. After that, I'm going to have selection autocomplete, also yes, no, maybe, and then you have the comma there. The difference I will show you I will be showing you what happens at the end of the next tutorial. Same with the multiple questions, also it doesn't get a comma at the end. And then as you can see, I also at the tasks, I'm going to create number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5 for the ordering, because that's where I wanted to. Just close that down, and then on task 2 I've got a bit more functions there. As you can see, I've got the date function, time function, photos, signature, GPS coordinates, money, and rating. On each of these it's different types. As you can see on the left, I've got the question. I've also added this so that we can see what's going to happen, and from here I ordered it from 10 to 16. As you can see, there's a few. If you go to task 1, you can see like this ends at 5. Usually we do that is just to make spaces if there needs to be more questions added, and I'll quickly just add another one for you. As you can see, we've got task number 2, activity more questions. So I'm just going to copy that over so that I can paste it here, and then I'm going to also select task 2. As you can see here at the bottom, at the top, it's task 2, just so that if I want to add more questions here, which I will be showing you now. So I'm just going to add a few rows. It's always nice to add more rows. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to use, let's see, just maybe added comments. This is the comment section, and then I'm just going to select submit. As you see, if I go to task 2, comments is there, and then I'm just going to renumber it to 17. After you've numbered this, you just go to edit activity, it should update, and if you go to here to the bottom, it should be added there. Now I need to go to the complete function, type in there complete. As you can see, I've done it previously, so it shows there up, and it also displays in yellow. Just going to add more. It's not actually necessary. This is going to be a selection always, and then in this case scenario, have you completed the submission or have you completed this report? In this case scenario, I'm going to select have you completed the submission. So the parameters there will be yes or no. Either if you selected no, you haven't completed it, it can come back and complete his submission, or you can select yes and the report will be finished. So I'm just going to select submit. As you can see, it added the complete function here at the tasks, and you're going to order this to be 999 again because you want it at the end of the report, and that's pretty much it. So just going to go through it again. So you've got your tasks, you've got your activity name, and then you've got your question fields over here.